So today we will be solving class 9th NCERT exercise 13.1 question 1 and 2. So the first question is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 meter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top. So let us assume the shape of this plastic box is this, and this is its length, its breadth and its height. So as given, we will write length is equals to 1.5 meters, breadth 1.25 meters and its height it's 65 centimeter. Converting it into meter, we get 0.65 meters. Now, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of sheet required for making the box. Now we have to calculate the total area of the sheet which is required to make the box, and we have to notice that it is open at the top. So for that, surface area of cuboid, we write the formula 2L into B, B into H, H into L, which we have discussed in the previous video. So but here we have to see the area of box will be 2 length into breadth, breadth into height and height into L. Now as it is open from the top, so we have to reduce this area. So this area is like a rectangle of length L and breadth B. So its area would be, we have to subtract this area, so its area will be length into breadth. So after optimizing it, we get 2L into B, 2B into H, 2H into L minus L into B, 2L into B, 2L into B. On subtracting, we get 2H into L, 2B into H minus L into B. Now putting values, we get 2, height is 0.65, length is 1.5, 2, breadth is 1.25 and height is 0.65 minus length is 1.5 and breadth is 1.25. Now after solving each, we get 2 into 0.65 into 1.5 is equals to 1.95 plus 1.625 plus 1.875. For this we get 1.625, for this we get 1.875. we have to subtract. Solving this, we get 5.45 meter square. So we can write the area of sheet required is 5.45 meter square. The second question is the cost of sheet for making it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost 20 rupees. So it is said that for 1 meter square the cost is 20, so we have to find the cost for 5.45 meter square. So we can write cost of sheet is equals to area of sheet multiplied by cost per meter square. Area of sheet is 5.45 and cost per meter square is 20. So we get 109 rupees. So the cost of sheet required for making the box is rupees 109. So this is the solution for our first question. So now let us move on to the second question. Now in second question, it is given a room of length, breadth and height 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter respectively, which means the length is 5 meter, breadth is 4 meter and height is 3 meters. Now find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.5 per meter square. We have to find the cost of whitewashing it. So first of all, let us assume this is our room with length, breadth and height. So this question is similar to the previous one. So but in this case we have to see that it is said cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. So means we have to neglect this base area. So first we will write surface area of cuboid, 2 length into breadth, breadth into height and height into length. We have to find area to be painted. So we have to paint just walls and the ceiling of the room. So we have to first analyze this. So it's the total area of the room including the base, and we will subtract the area of the base, which will be the length into breadth, as the base is in the form of a rectangle with length L and breadth B. Subtracting it, we get 2L into B, 2B into H, 2H into L minus L into B. So the generalized formula become 2B into H, 2H into L minus L into B. Now substituting the values of length, breadth and height, we get breadth is 4, height is 3, height is 3, length 5, length is 5 and breadth is 4. So this gives us 24. 5 3 is 15, 2 is 30 minus 20. So here we get to add this. So here it becomes addition, because 2 length into breadth minus length into breadth, we get length into breadth. So we have to add this. Adding this, we get 74 meter square. So the area to be painted is 74 meter square, but we have to find the cost of painting. So for cost of painting, we have to multiply area to be painted and cost per meter square. Now the area to be painted is 74 and cost per meter square is 7.5. Multiplying it, we get 555 rupees. So in answer we can write the cost of painting this room will be 555.